Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about addition of polynomials. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please don't skip the ads in this video. Thanks! And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about addition of polynomials. So let's have this vocabulary first before we start our lesson. So monomials, a number, a variable, or a product of a number and one or more variables. So let's say 4x is an example of monomial. 20x squared yw cubed is a monomial. Negative 3 is a monomial. A squared b squared cube and 3yz are all monomials. Meaning to say, kapag monomial, isang term lang siya, we consider it one term basta wala siyang symbol na positive or negative. While on the other hand, kapag sinabing polynomials are one or more monomials. So, kapag one lang siya, we call it polynomial pa rin naman. So, added or subtracted. So, we have 4x plus 6x squared, 20xy minus 4, and 3a squared minus 5a plus 4 are all polynomials. Or, we call them actually a binomial, trinomial, pero lahat yan tawag dyan polynomial. So, like terms. Like terms refers to monomial that have the same variables but may have different coefficient. The variables in the terms must have the same power. So pag sabing like terms, there are similar terms, no? So halimbawa dito, alin diyan yung like terms. So titignan mo yung kanilang literal coefficient. So dito, AB squared, pareho sila nitong AB squared. Unlike this one, AB, A squared B, so hindi sila pareho. So these are not the same or similar. So therefore, for AB squared and negative 5AB squared are like. Kahit ano pa yung constant niya, for as long as yung kanyang literal coefficient ay pareho, so that we call them like or similar terms. Even though the others have the same variables, the exponents are not the same. Like 3a squared b is equal to 3aab. Tama? Kasi yung a squared mean to say dalawang a, which is different from ab squared, which is equal to 4abb. Okay, so magkaiba yung dalawang yan. Okay, another is the constant. Constants are like terms. Which terms are like? So dito, 2x, negative 3, 5b, and 0. So, ang like terms ay negative 3 and 0. These are term constant. Constant sila. Which terms are like 3x, 2x squared, 4, and x? So the same variable are 3x and x because they have the same leading coefficient. Yung 4, constant siya pero wala siyang kamukha. Yung x squared, meron siyang, it's a monomial pero wala na siyang kamukha na x squared. Which terms are like 2wx, w, 3x, and 4xw? So nakikita ko, parang wala naman. Or pwede kaya itong 2wx and 4xw? So let's see. 2xw and 4xw are like. Though hindi sila pareho ng arrangement, we still consider them as like terms or similar terms. Now, let's proceed to our topic because we're done with the introduction. Gagamitin natin yung like terms in adding polynomials. So, add the following. We have x squared plus 3x plus 1 and 4x squared plus 5. So, paano i-add yan? First, underline the like terms. So, we have x squared plus 3x plus 1 and 4x squared plus 5. So, yung like terms dito is x squared tsaka 4x squared. Si 3x may kamukha ba sa kabila? Wala. Si 1, meron bang kamukhang constant sa kabila? Yes, and that is 1 and 5. Tama? So ngayon, notice that 3x doesn't have the like terms. Step 2, add the coefficient of the like terms. Do not change the powers of the variables. So we have the following. Paano sila in-add? So we have the like terms. So x squared plus 4x squared. Ito yon. plus 3x kasi wala siyang kamuka plus naglagay ng open and close 1 plus 5. So 1, we consider that x squared has a leading term na 1, no? Meron siyang 1 na numerical coefficient. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Then just copy the leading the literal coefficient. Iko-copyhin lang natin 'yan. Plus just bring down 1 plus 5 is 6. So ito yung answer natin. That's how we add polynomials, okay? We have another way. Some people prefer to add polynomials by stacking them. If you choose to do this, be sure to line up the like terms. So, pwedeng naka-stack sila. So, yung given natin, equivalent siya dito sa ganitong way. So, pwedeng naka-stack sila, but make sure na naka-align sila. Okay, dun sa mga like terms nila. So, i-add lang yan, and then makikuha mo is ganun pa rin. So, we have 1 plus 4 is 5. Just bring down x squared. Bring down 3x, and then 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So, stack and add this polynomial. So, meron tayong another example. So, we have 2a squared plus 3ab plus 4b squared plus i-add natin siya sa quantity 7a squared plus ab plus negative 2b squared. So, alin yung magkakamukha dyan na term? So, we have 2a squared. Meron ba siya? Ayan, a squared din. Meron bang ab? Yes, meron din. Meron bang b squared? Yes, meron. So, halos magpa-partner sila. So, we will arrange it into the stock form. So, ganyan siya. And then, we will just add. Okay? So, ito yung answer natin. 2 plus 7 is 9. And then, copy the leading, literal coefficient na a squared plus 3 plus 1 is 4. Remember, kapag letter lang yan, may automatic meron siyang 1 na constant, numerical coefficient. And then, copy AB. Then, plus din, pero may negative siya, no? So, ibig sabihin minus. So, 4 minus 2 is 2, then copy B squared. So, ito na yung answer natin. That's how we add. Very simple, no, sa pag-add ng polynomials. Add the following polynomials. You can stack them if you want. So, dito tayo. Okay, first, tingnan natin yung similar terms. These are similar terms. And then, these all are also similar terms. So, 3 plus 3 is 6, right? Then, copy the leading, the literal coefficient, which is x cubed. Then, negative 7 plus 4. Remember, in the addition of the integers, kapag mas mataas, kapag hindi sila pareho ng sign, ima-minus natin sila, tapos kokopy natin yung sign ng may mataas na number. So, negative 7 plus 4 is 3, and the highest value is 7, and the sign of 7 is negative. That's why our answer is negative 3. And then copy the literal coefficient, which is x. So our answer here is 6x cubed minus 3x. Next, 2w squared plus w minus 5 and 4w squared plus 7w plus 5. So I think meron silang mga partners sa kabila or mga like terms. So we have 2w squared and 4w squared. So we have 6w squared. W plus 7W is 8. Remember, W has 1 numerical coefficient. The constant, negative 5 plus 1, they don't have the same sign, so we will subtract them. So, magiging answer natin is negative 4. So, the answer is 6W squared plus 8W minus 4. Another, we have 2A cubed and A cubed may partner. 3A squared, 4A, walang partner. Si 5A may partner, si 3 wala din. So, titignan natin yung may pareho. So, we have 3A, and then, 2A cubed and A cubed, that is 3A cubed. 3A squared, walang partner, so just retain. 5A plus 4A is 9A, and then just retain 3. So, ang magiging answer natin is 3A squared plus 3A squared, 3A cubed plus 3A squared plus 9A plus 3. Okay? So, that's all about the addition of polynomials in an easiest tutorial. With that, thank you very much for your listening.